G'day, my name is Paul Illingworth. I'm the company fitter and turner and machinist. Yeah, I do most of the machining here, assembling cylinders. We do repairs as well. Probably predominant work is actually assembly of cylinders. So anything from little tiny ones to really very big ones and long ones, some that can be up to 3 metres long. We can do various customer requests, different threads, different fittings, end caps, whatever they want. If they want grease nipples added, we can do that as well. We've got lots of equipment that comes in from overseas that supply the barrel units, and end caps are made from kits. We can make to suit pretty well. Probably a third of our work is repairs. So we do repair work for various companies like wood mills, dairy farms and stuff like that, which could be of various sorts, not our own cylinders necessarily. So we can do repairs on various types of pneumatic equipment. It's quite interesting. You never know what's going to turn up one day to the next. Overall, we can turn around stuff. We can turn around very quickly because obviously if a company's equipment breaks, they want it up and running as soon as possible. So that's the good thing about having our own equipment. We can make to suit as soon as possible. And so we generally do an assessment, whatever comes in broken or damaged, maybe do a test. Then we'll go about pulling it apart, seeing what needs to be replaced. If we can do it just as a repair, or we might need to replace the whole unit itself. We can do specialist stuff as well, like made out of stainless steel. Like all the barrels are aluminium, but the rod units can be stainless steel. Generally it's chrome, but stainless steel is a very handy one for wet environments, that sort of thing, or caustic environments. We have special seal kits that can go in if there's going to be a caustic environment where it could be like acids or highly corrosive stuff can get into the seal units. We have specialist seals that cater for that, which is really handy. Yeah, I've been in the industry for quite a while. Engineering, it can be challenging, but it's also good. And this working with pneumatics is actually really good because it's clean, it's quite safe. Unlike hydraulics, big heavy hydraulics can be quite dangerous. But in this environment, it's fantastic. Great company to work for, family environment, and it's a good place to be. Enjoy it.